Welcome to RefreshNest, your go-to destination for all things home improvement and interior design. In today's video, we're diving into the wonderful world of indoor plants. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting your green journey, incorporating low-maintenance indoor plants into your home decor can elevate your space's aesthetic while bringing a breath of fresh air indoors. Join us as we explore 10 stunning low-maintenance indoor plants that are perfect for enhancing your home's ambiance. Let's get started! Benefits of indoor plants. Before we delve into our list of top low-maintenance indoor plants, let's discuss why incorporating greenery into your home is beneficial. Indoor plants not only add a touch of natural beauty to your space, but also have numerous health benefits. From purifying the air to reducing stress levels, these green companions can truly transform your indoor environment for the better. Snake plant, Sansevieria. Known for its striking architectural shape and air-purifying properties, the snake plant is a must-have for any indoor garden. This hardy plant thrives in low-light conditions and requires minimal watering, making it perfect for busy individuals or those with a black thumb. With its sleek, upright leaves, the snake plant adds a touch of modern elegance to any room. Z-plant, Zamioculcas zamiifolia. If you're looking for a virtually indestructible plant that can survive neglect, look no further than the ZZ plant. This resilient beauty boasts glossy, dark green foliage and thrives in low-light conditions. With its ability to go weeks without water, the ZZ plant is perfect for forgetful plant owners or those with a hectic schedule. Pothos epipremnumorium. Pothos, also known as devil's ivy, is a versatile and easy-to-care-for plant that adds a touch of lush greenery to any space. This trailing vine plant thrives in various lighting conditions and can tolerate occasional neglect. With its heart-shaped leaves and cascading growth habit, pothos is perfect for hanging baskets or placed on shelves to add visual interest to your home decor. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. The peace lily is not only known for its elegant white blooms, but also its air-purifying qualities. This low-maintenance plant thrives in low to moderate light and requires minimal watering. With its lush foliage and graceful flowers, the peace lily adds a touch of serenity and beauty to any room, making it a popular choice for indoor gardens. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Spider plants are renowned for their air-purifying properties and easy care requirements, making them ideal for beginner plant enthusiasts. With its arching leaves and cascading baby spider plants, this versatile plant adds a playful touch to any space. Spider plants thrive in bright, indirect light and only require occasional watering, making them a perfect addition to your indoor garden. Chinese money plant, Pilea peperomioides. The Chinese money plant, with its unique round leaves and upright growth habit, has become a favorite among plant lovers worldwide. This low-maintenance plant thrives in bright, indirect light and requires minimal watering. With its quirky appearance and easy care requirements, the Chinese money plant is sure to steal the spotlight in any room. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. With its glossy burgundy leaves and striking silhouette, the rubber plant adds a touch of drama to any space. This low-maintenance plant thrives in bright, indirect light and requires minimal watering. With proper care, the rubber plant can grow into an impressive indoor tree, making it a statement piece in your home decor. Succulents. Explore the diverse world of succulents and their ability to thrive in dry conditions. Discuss various types of succulents, including echeverias, haworthias, and ioniums, and offer tips on caring for these trendy plants. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is not only a beautiful addition to your indoor garden, but also a versatile plant with numerous health benefits. Known for its soothing gel, aloe vera is a natural remedy for sunburns and skin irritations. This low-maintenance succulent thrives in bright, indirect light and requires infrequent watering, making it perfect for busy individuals or those with limited gardening experience. Jade plant, Crassula ovata. The jade plant, with its fleshy, oval-shaped leaves and tree-like growth habit, is a symbol of prosperity and good fortune. This easy-to-care-for succulent thrives in bright, indirect light and requires minimal watering. With its unique appearance and auspicious symbolism, the jade plant adds a touch of charm and positivity to any space. And there you have it, 10 stunning low-maintenance indoor plants to enhance your home's aesthetic. Whether you're a novice plant parent or a seasoned green thumb, incorporating these easy care plants into your indoor garden is sure to elevate your space's ambiance. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RefreshNest for more home decor tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!